Coming up in this video, I've got a simple raspberry and chocolate highball using JJ Whitley's Raspberry Vodka. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. Right, this is so delicious. I love this cocktail. I'm going to serve it up in this is my highball glass I'm going to use for this. This is from Drink Stuff, a Diablo highball. Absolutely amazing glass, love that. Going to make it in a cocktail shaker. First ingredient, 50 ml double bubble of your raspberry vodka. Now, the reason why I'm using this raspberry vodka is because I absolutely love it, because it actually smells and tastes of raspberry. For me, my opinion, much better than Absolut. Absolutely love it. Right, next ingredient, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 15 ml of lemon juice. Then I want some chocolate liqueur, and I'm just going for Bols Cacao White there, so colourless chocolate liqueur. And I just want, oh, it's lovely, 15 ml of that. And then the final ingredient before the shake is another raspberry, and there's still one more to come as well. So the second raspberry I'm using is raspberry puree. This is ODK raspberry puree, a long life, once opened, 3 months on it, and I think, what is this? Yeah, June 2022, shelf stable, so absolutely amazing. I'm just going at 15 ml of raspberry puree, 1.5, perfect. Look at that, so double bubble of raspberry so far, and we're going for one more after the shake. Right, so just need to ice that up and ice the glass up. While I'm doing it, as always, I want your help to name these cocktails. So stick your suggestions in the comments box below. And that'll go into my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. You get the free one off any of my videos. It's always in the first comment, pinned comment. If you want to get the updated version, become a Patreon member. Big shout out to my new guys in there, Mark and Scott. They're in the upper tier where I've got all my online courses and that sort of stuff. So welcome to you guys and thank you very much. Right, shake that down. Good hard 12 seconds. When you are happy that that is nice, oh, raspberry everywhere. When you're happy that's nice and chilled down, that's one final ingredient we're going for, and that's a kind of a fizzy raspberry. Could use that. Fentimans, it's a sparkling raspberry, you get that in most supermarkets. But the raspberry I'm actually going to go for, and I love using this, Franklin's & Sons, they've rebranded, reformulated. This is their new raspberry lemonade. Super delicious. Sets this cocktail off a treat. 75 ml for that glass. 25. Just a bit more puree in there to wash out. So let's go there. 50. 75. Perfect. I add that to save having to stir it again once it's in there. So all I need to do now is just strain it into my glass. Perfect, look at that. Love the colour. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Garnish, I'm going for a sprig of mint actually, another sprig of mint. And then here's one I made earlier, little raspberry kebab. Just pop that in there. Amazing, serve it up with a straw. If you want to see more raspberry vodka cocktails or more other vodka cocktails, then there'll be a playlist popping up on the screen now. Oh hello. Oh my god, that is amazing. Love that. Right, make sure you like, subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future videos. Check out the other playlists with plenty of other vodka cocktails. Cheers.